thought I'd record a little more about my tabletop setup. Kind of focused on a writing interface right now. So I have this canvas of blocks projected down on the tabletop. There's a touch frame here that lets me use touch events. And then the writing is movable blocks. And up on the screen for me in the back there is a preview of it kind of condensed or projected down into a document. So really it's just relying on the Y position of these blocks within a frame. I can make frames and that gets me a document, a post in this case. So I did been enjoying playing with it, and I did make myself make a post about this Hockney quote about photography, and then I posted it on my blog on the right. So I just copied the markdown out of it, and I guess interested in lots of things here, like the interface itself, also like just doing more writing. So I think part of what I'm interested in is, and as I pan over to another frame, then it automatically goes up into that preview. And this was kind of nonsense, but I'm interested in it. You know, it's a little like how I've seen artists, designers use Figma, where you have almost these artboards. And actually I just think I implemented, the Alt for like drag to duplicate. It's got a little physics to it, although I should play with the physics more. So kind of interested in like getting a bunch of frames on here, and also having something where over time, you know, you have scraps from one essay that then maybe make it into another. I think there's interesting things to do with maybe linking blocks. I was thinking maybe even rather than trying to be super smart about it, I could just hash the text of all these and then do something to highlight when a block with the same text content was used across articles. I want to be kind of a mix of pragmatic and I don't know, and kind of crazy. I did start adding like images into this, which works pretty nicely. Could do the same. I mean, I imagine I will with video. So I want to keep like dog fooding this, trying it out as I go.